Hello and welcome to Watches with a Woman. I am here today with the Seiko ProSpex Air Divers 200 meters special edition with the Tuna case shape. Now, Seiko often has fun nicknames, and this one being the Tuna because of a tuna can shaped very circular case. What you can see is there are basically no lugs, so this incredibly comfortable rubber strap goes in directly into the case. The strap is actually a really lovely addition to this watch as it is incredibly comfortable. This is actually my father's watch, which we bought while on a family road trip through Germany at the Grand Seiko boutique in Frankfurt, which at the time had just opened, so it has some sentimental value as well. This is a ceramic coated case, so while this is from 2015, there are no scratches, which is very impressive. It is 45 millimeters in diameter, 13.4 millimeters in thickness. It has a day date feature here, and brilliantly loomed indices and hands. I really like the seconds hand on this. The bright yellow looks so gorgeous sweeping across the blue dial. And it is a deep blue, so that extra pop of something bright I think is really helpful. So this has a heavy-duty outer ring, and this is for additional protection while diving. It has a unidirectional rotating bezel, which is very common on dive watches, and that is something that I will say is a bit of a drawback on this for me, is the actual bezel action. It's really stiff and hard to rotate. It works, but it's not fun to do so. There's certain watches where I just want to keep rotating the bezel all day. I actually kind of pull within the grooves with my fingers to get it to move, and that seems to help me. It has a screw down crown and case back. Let's see if you can see here this wave on the back. And it's fun seeing even the texture from the bottom side, and the texture of the sides of the case and the bezel all also reflect this very bold strap. Now I'll pull a loom shot up because the loom is actually really beautiful, and it gives it an undersea kind of glow, like you are deep underwater and there's those creepy fishes with the light bulbs over their eyes. Now let me fully secure this to my wrist so that you can actually see what it looks like on my 6-inch wrist. You can see on the strap here the wave as well that was on the case back, carried on. So I'm on the tightest hole with my 6-inch wrist. You can see that there is a little bit of extra strap here. That's just because it can't be secured any further with this texture. However, let's look at it from the top and the sides, and you will see that with that lugless design, it actually looks really fun. And I, not too long ago, reviewed the Breitling emergency watch. And while that watch is big and yellow, like this hand, I wouldn't actually wear that personally. This, I totally would. It has such a fun, summery vibe to it that I think that this would be really gorgeous in the summer sun. However, you can totally wear this all year round. You can see again as there's basically no extra space between the watch and my wrist. I love a lack of a gap. And the texture on the crown is also very bold. Let me know in the comments below if you would wear this watch. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, Watch Fam.